Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing my Ellora Parasite Control. So as you can see right here, we have it here opened up on their website. So as you can see, this is what it costs, and these are the bottles that it looks like. So basically, if you don't know what this is, it is basically just droplets for kids, for children. So as you can see, shake well, mix in your drink, don't take it directly, which is pretty obvious since this could be lethal or very dangerous. And the dosage is 1 times daily, and intensive is also 1 times daily. So that's a red flag right there, since why doesn't it change if it were intensive? So if it were general use, it would also be intensive in the same case. So as you can see, this is what their ingredients are. So black walnut, which is what I doubt it to be. So as you can see right here, there are fake testimonials right here. As you can see, they don't even show properly the product and what it looks like. So that doesn't look anything like this. So as you can see, if you're wondering if this is legit or not, we have it here opened up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 1.9 out of 5 stars, which is poor. So as you can see, this is a scam, awful customer service, scam alert, ordered. If I could give less than 1 star, gonna purchase. This is a knockoff brand. I ordered, but I realized it was originated from China. Please, guys, don't buy products like these, especially if they're shady. You should always just check here on Trustpilot or on Reddit before actually giving something to your children, since it could be very dangerous for them. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.